guys, Saving with Shay. Listen, I'm in the process of editing this video for you guys and realize your girl I didn't even record an intro. Like, I meant to do it when I came out the store, but your girl had Panera Bread on my brain. And so by the time I went there and got my little drink, I was already home and I totally forgot. And so as far as today's haul, you guys, and I'm in the process of waiting for a customer right now too. Which these bundles, you guys, like I have a bundle and I was selling it for $30 and I posted it almost a week ago and it was not moving at all. And so I dropped it to $28 and dead eyes. This is the fourth one that I've sold since yesterday. So I sold 2 yesterday and 2 today. And I have another customer that's supposed to pick up another one later today. I'll insert a picture. I want to work on a video for you guys as far as offer up. I've been really trying to get back into doing bundles because I love the idea of just being able to get rid of a lot of stuff at one time, and bundles allows me to do that. And so I'll get a video up hopefully for you guys this weekend. But as far as my weekend, y'all, I only need 10 rebates for $5, which I actually haven't gotten a bonus like that in a hot minute. So when I saw it, I was just like, oh, this should be easy. Not to mention I did 2 of the core bars at Vons. I did the Angel Soft tissue yesterday and today at CVS. So it's super stupid easy. Like, I don't even need a lot today, to be honest. Like, I don't even need a lot. I probably could have got a gift card and I'd have been perfectly fine and not even gone to the store. But I want to tackle as many rebates as I can, so that way this weekend I can stack this weekend's bonus with the halftime and knock them both out. So that's kind of what the goal is, but this should be pretty easy. A lot of you guys found the video that I did yesterday helpful as far as I'm talking about Swagbucks. And a lot of you guys do hit me up saying that you have issues submitting receipts on Swagbucks, and I've told you guys, use the browser. When I did, the little time that I did use the app, I found it to be problematic. I didn't find it to be too user-friendly in my opinion. And so I switched over to using the browser. So I use the browser for Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, and Tada. And I have yet to really have any major issues with it at all, to be honest with you guys. So if you're having issues submitting receipts on Swagbucks, switch over to using the browser. I like the browser because it doesn't take up space on my phone. Like, literally, I go to the magic receipt page on all of those through the browser, and I add that page to my home screen so that when I submit my receipts, all I gotta do is click the little icon and I'm good to go. But try that and let me know if it works out for you. I'm working on my what I spent for January video. Well, I still have to get my numbers together, but hopefully that video should be up soon for you guys as well. Other than that, I am gonna leave it there. I'll see you guys in the store for some awesome deals, so keep on.
First deal that we're gonna go over is at the checkout. It's on the Pepsi Zero. It's either the Pepsi Zero or the Mountain Dew Zero, which I don't see right here. They're priced at $2.18. We're gonna grab 2 of them. We'll pay $4.36, but then get back one of them free, making them $1.09 each. This next deal is on the Parm Crisp. These are right literally by the salads on this little cap. So these are priced at $3.78, and for this you're gonna grab a total of 4 of them. I did do a video on this yesterday, but you're gonna go ahead and grab 4 of them. You'll pay $15.12 but get back $8 for every 2, or $16 on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, or Tada. So it'll basically make all 4 free plus an 88-cent moneymaker. This next deal that I'm gonna grab again is on the Evolve plant-based protein shakes. These are priced at $2.78. You're gonna grab 1 and get back $1.39 on Ibotta, making it only $1.39. So why not? Here's another friendly reminder: the Proper Good deal is still going on. It's absolutely free through the Aisles site. I'll have a link for you guys in the description box. So listen, they're priced at $5.98. You're gonna submit your receipt through the link, and you're gonna get that back, making it absolutely free. Now there's still kicks on Shopkick. I think they have been dropped though. My Shopkicks went down to about $2.75, which is $1.10. So to make it a $1.10 moneymaker. Now a lot of you guys have been using my link, and so for me, I'm only gonna get $5 off, which brings it down to 98 cents. And then of course after Shopkicks, it still makes it a small moneymaker. So I already got what I wanted to get. I literally ran in here real quick and grabbed them and went ahead and submitted my receipts before the rebate disappeared. I know on checkout 51 it said not many left or something like that, and so I just got nervous and I ran and did that deal first. So if you guys watched the video yesterday, I did the 12 packs, which are $4.98. You grab this one, it's a triple rebate. It's on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, or Tada. It's also on checkout 51, but again, it does say few left, and then it's also on Ibotta. All right, so you're gonna grab a total of 4 of them since they'll all be free. The total is gonna come to $19.92. You'll get back 6 on Ibotta, 4 on checkout 51, and $10 on either Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, or Tada, making them all free plus an 8-cent moneymaker. Now you can also grab these 6 packs, which they work as well, and they're on rollback as well for $3.28. There's only one back there that I couldn't reach, so yeah, that's why I didn't get that one. But I got all the ones I could get. You're gonna grab 4 of them. You'll pay $13.12, but get back $4 on checkout 51, and then $10 on Inbox, Swagbucks, My Points, or Tada, which will make that an 88-cent moneymaker. Now you can get the Sunkiss Zero. You can get Squirt Zero if your store has it. My store doesn't have it. And you can also get the 7-Up Zero as well. I think those are the only ones that you can get that are zero sugar, which is the ones that I got. It did go straight through for me on, I submitted on My Points. No, I did My Points yesterday. I did it for Tada and Inbox dollars. They went straight through. And then I submitted on checkout 51 as well. And so, not a bad deal for some sodas. Just a reminder, you guys that are doing the free core bar, this 4-pack does work for the freebie. So you could grab this at $7.48. You'll get that back through the aisles rebate. It'll go either to your Venmo or your PayPal, making it absolutely free, and then you'll get back $2 on Ibotta, making it a money maker. Now with Aisles, you guys, it's not an app. I don't even know if it's a website, but if you Google Aisles freebies or Aisles deals, it'll take you to where you have to enter your phone number and your zip code, and then it'll basically tell you what offers are available in your area for that. And so there's that one, and there's also this one as well, which it's $2.18. You'll get back $1 on Ibotta, and then submit for the rebate as well, getting back the $2.18. Now it is a limit of 1, but a lot of you guys have used my link, and so I've been trying to get these here and there, but it is 1 per for me, it's 1 per transaction, so I have to break them up. So I actually found some more of the Airwick double packs of the peach one for $3. I'm actually surprised. I keep finding them, and I actually have 2 more coupons. I only have 2 left though, and it expires on the 11th. So basically, it's gonna make these 70 cents. Are 35 cents per can. Just a reminder, if you haven't did the Airwick deal on coupons.com, Alexa, or Shopmium, just a reminder, this one here, the lavender and chamomile one, is priced at $3.48. For that, you're gonna grab 2 of them. You'll pay $6.96 and then get back 7, making it a 4-cent money maker. So just a reminder on that. So my next deal is on the Clorox Disinfecting Mist. It's on the refill bottle. It's priced at $5.28. You're gonna grab 1 of them. You'll get back $2 on Ibotta. There's also $2 rebates on coupons.com, Shopmium, Alexa. I believe it expires on the 11th, which will bring this down to $1.28, which is not bad. And so yeah, really quick, I have a this is a Brick Seek Fine for $137. It says out of stock, but I found, like, what is that, 8 of them. So on Brick Seek, really quick. It's pronounced Brick Seek. All right. Okay, so there it is right there. So I saw it on here, and then it made me come over here and check the little clearance aisle. So really quick, the UPC for that one, so you can check your area. But yeah, I found that on Brick Seek. Right, the next thing that I'm gonna grab, because it's so busy over there, is gonna be the Clean and Clear. It's priced at $4.88. There is a $2.50 offer on coupons.com, Shopmium, or Alexa, and then $1.50 on Ibotta, making this 88 cents. The last thing I'm gonna probably grab is gonna be the Polydent blush. Okay, it's a Polydent blush. The Polydent brush is priced at $3.74. We're gonna grab one. We'll be getting back $2 on coupons.com, and we'll also get back $1.50 on Ibotta. So it'll bring this down to only 24 cents. So this is my haul, you guys. It makes me so happy because it's mostly food. And I didn't have a lot of coupons. I only had coupons for Febreze, which I didn't have to include that because I definitely didn't include the Degree over there or the Shea Moisture. So I may not include the Febreze in my final numbers for this haul. And so, yeah, this worked out pretty good though. I had digital coupons on coupons.com for Clean and Clear, Clorox, and Polydent. I'm hoping that those items reset for me so then I can do it on probably Shopmium. Next, I always do Alexa last because it goes to my my Amazon balance. And so yeah, we'll see with that. And so everything worked out good today. I maxed out the soda on 3 out of 4. I didn't do it on Tada. And I maxed it out on both my Checkout 51 accounts. And then the Palm Crisp, I maxed that out on 3 of them. And then Tada, I just grabbed 2. I use those on my salad, you guys. So I was super, super stoked to be able to grab those and know that I'm stocked up for a minute, which is really, really cool. I grabbed some more of the soups as well. I'm excited because this is all 0 sugar, and that's like the only soda that I drink. When I drink it, that's the only one I drink. So I was super, super stoked about that as well. I did grab a couple of these corn bars from Vons, the keto one and the peanut butter chocolate one. All right, they're 2 for $5 there. Got that back on the Isles site, and then $1.25 each on Ibotta. So made those 2 of those a $2.50 moneymaker on that. Other than that, you guys, I want to make this as briefly as I can. So everything you see here retails $166.88. I only had $4.60 in coupons for Febreze, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $162.28. What we got back $26.07 from Ibotta, $26 from Swagbucks, $17.10 from MyPoints, $26 from Inbox Dollars, $18 from Tada. Checkout 51 was $10. Isles was $36.84. $4.40 from Shopkick, and $5.50 from coupons.com. So we got back a total of $169.91, which makes everything you see here free, plus a $7.63 moneymaker, which is awesome. And again, I do pay a CRV for the soda. So the CRV tax was $4.95, and then the tax on the non-fruit products was $174. So $6.69 when you include tax. Still gonna make all of this free, plus a small money maker, which is still awesome, you guys. I don't know what else to add, but I hope that you guys are having the most amazing day. Whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from, you made it to this part in the video. I would love to see stars. I don't think I've done stars yet, so let's see some shooting stars or stars in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.